everybody, this is grade math number 48 with me, JP. And today we are going to do some probability problems. And today I thought maybe we can use some dice here, so yeah. So let's just get started. By the way, in this book we're not going to need it too long because we're in the second to last chapter. Okay. So suppose we roll a fair 6. We roll a fair 6-sided dice. What's probability that we get that 5 is rolled? So the probability of 5. Did I spell that right? Yeah, I did.
Probability to get a 5? Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the probability of that. Well, there's 2 ways we can do this, but I'll show you both. First way, which is the inefficient way, we can see what we get this and what we get of other. What's the probability?
So what are you doing now? Oh, you're running the dice. Okay.
I keep getting 6.
2. Tell the number you get.
2, 3, 6, 5. Yay! 5, 2, 5, 6. Yeah, okay, this way is just gonna take forever, so let's not do this way. I have a so much easier way. So let's actually do the probability rule, which is the number of successful divided by
Number of successful what?
number
Combination.
Combinations and number of successful. Sorry, the bottom will be number of possibilities. I think
Outcome.
possible outcomes. Yeah.
What about the other one? Make sure you write correctly the formula for the top. Can you check again?
Yeah, it is. It is. It's number of successful outcomes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So the possible outcomes for 6 dice. There's the number. So there's 6 sides. So there's only 6, and there's only 1 5. So 1/6 is the answer, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. So it's 1/6. Okay. Remember. Okay. So that's only A of this problem. Let's do B. Okay, the probability of an even number. So even number. Even rolled. So basically 2, 4, 6. Well, these are the only ones, so it doesn't really matter. So let's do that. So even, that was a 6. That was a 4. That was a 5. That was a 6. That was a 3. That was a 3. That was a 1. That was a 2. That was a 1. That was a 3. That was a 6. That was a 2. Okay, this one is just gonna take forever.
No, but look here. What do you see? They seem
Yeah,
pretty even on both sides.
Yeah, so that gives us a hint, but we want the actual answer. So let's do the actual probability way. It's the number of success.
Successful outcome.
Successful. I think I spelled that right. Successful outcomes. And number of possible outcomes. Yeah. Okay, and okay, so possible outcomes there are 6, and there's 3 of the even, so it's 3. Now remember, when we're trying to do the probability, we won't do 3 over 6. The only reason we would have, it won't be a 1 on top is because it's not divisible. So this one is actually, if we simplify it, will be 1/2. So there is
So, hold on.
1/2. So that means what we did earlier, we had 6. It had a fair chance. Basically, it's like a 50-50 chance. And basically what it's trying to say here. So yeah, it's a good thing to know. So now we have it. And now let's do C. A perfect square is rolled. Oh, that's hard. That's okay. So perfect square. 1 is a perfect square because 1 squared is equal to 1. 2 is not a perfect square. 3 is not a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square because that's 2 squared, which is equal to 4. 5 is not a perfect square, neither is 6.
So what is a perfect square? Is when a square equals this number?
Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah. Let's try. So non-square square. So to remind me, it will be 1 and 4. 2, 3, 5, 6. 5. 1. 3. 6. 4. 6. 5. 4. 4. 6. Yeah, so this one's gonna take.
Okay, so, okay,
So
look,
there's 6
can you let it like this and let's do the operation?
Yeah, so this is 6 to 4, so now let me write it neater. So the possible outcomes, there are 6, and there's only 2 of them. So when we do it, we get only 1/3.
Which is, how much percentage is that?
That percent, it's like, that's approximating 90, it's approximate.
No, it's 33%.
Oh, yeah.
It's not 99. Is that
Sorry,
right?
it's, that's something else. No, I'm sorry. That is something else. Yeah, it is 33%. 33 and 1/3.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's 33 and 1/3.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 33 and 1/3%.
Yeah, okay.
Cause you can't make.
So on the other one will be 60 something? Other side?
This one?
No. The 2,
This one
3,
would have
5,
been.
6.
This would have been 2/3, which would have been, I think, 66 and.
Okay, so you have more chance to get
Yeah.
the other one. And that's what you see when in your testing you did?
Yeah, my testing, you don't have as much of a chance, but this one, it didn't go so well. So that's why it's more efficient to do the probability rule than to just roll the dice and keep going. It's like a wild goose chase.
So you need to do for 100 to real, maybe. You need to throw 100 times the dice to see the real, but okay.
Okay, so, yeah, so if you guys do have a dice, go try that. Actually, don't. You will get bored and you'll lose count. Unless you always like tally every single one. If you always tally, that's the only reason. But yeah, I guess we're done. And if you like this video on Great Math, this is number 48 with me, Jean-Pierre. Please give a big thumbs up to me. And please do subscribe. I will see you next time. And Great Math, and goodbye.